Go, get out of here. Come on, scram.
Being really aggressive.
Get out of here. Get, this is not for you. This is not for you. Go. This is not anything edible.
You're the edible one, Mark.
That's right. Get. Quick. Come on. Yeah, jump in the fire. It'll be quick. I don't love Mark, this little wild bird, which we should have eaten a long time ago. Sometimes he's a pain in the butt. You know, you're trying to eat and he's trying to jump in your mouth and peck the food out. I'm gonna grab your ass here.
Oh my God.
Yeah, let me get in the middle there and I'll get him.
FBI, show us.
He's watching me. Scared the hell out of me.
Me? It freaks me out.
Joe, there's a tie over here. Joe and the chicken do not get along. Chicken pecks at Joe, pecks around Joe. Joe freaks out. And it's really, really fun to watch. Today, Joe caught the chicken and we were just dying laughing. He was so excited. He's just a good guy. He's a funny guy.
Well, I tell you what, put him on a log over here.
You're good at catching that bird, Joe.
Bird catcher, Joey D. I feel as though I've accomplished something.
You still got it.
Yeah, the hands are good, the legs are not so good.
Well, you got the job done.